our series on OASIS Plus. This is the second in that series. And today's focus is going to be on how you can ace the preparation for OASIS Plus. The first 40 minutes of this webinar are going to be listening to Steve about how to prepare for the opportunity. Then we'll have about 15 to 20 minutes of Q&A. And if there are some questions that remain unanswered, we'll be sending you a follow-up email on that.
You could be looking at your strengths and gaps, what domains you might want to bid, what does your score look like, do a catalog of your projects that are auto-relevant, and then for other ones it might fit.